Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about the React Material UI. Now here we are going to learn about the floating action button in React Material UI. So this kind of button we are going to use like plus sign, this edit one, navigate. So you can see that at the bottom of the website or you can add such kind of a thing like go back and up and down like this icon. You can see where it is. Let me see this one, up arrow and down, like navigating from top to bottom. So such kind of things, if you are going to add it, so these are the best option, that is floating action button. Okay, so now we are going to use it. So let's see how we are going to use it. So where we have the what we have to add is, we have to add the react, this is the add icon button. So what we have to add is fab. Okay, so it is wrapped in this one. So fab material UI we are going to use it. So you need to import this one. Okay, so let me open my VS code. Okay, so let's open it, and we are going to add this one, fab material UI, and we are going to add this fab edit icon. So you need to also add the edit icon at the same. So here we have to add after this one. Okay, so going to add this fab color. After this we need to add the edit icon, so you need to add it like this. So whatever icon you want to add, you can add it over here. So I'm going to add it. Okay, so let's see what it gonna be look like. So you can see that edit button is like there. So any button that you want to add, you can add it just like this. So this is the basic funda is just you need to add the fab and whatever icon you want to add, and after that you want to perform any action. So that on click event you can add, on change event you can add, and you can also add the size, at the size also, large, small and medium. So it's gonna be small, medium, and large is also there. Small, medium and large. Okay, and we have the this kind of, you can add also the buttons at the same with the text. So this is that one variant. You want the animation, so you can also add the animation like this. So what we have to do for the animation is basically, you can see that we have they have added the animations, and this is the tabs. After in the tab, they have mentioned swipe people views tab 1. After that they have mentioned fabs zoom, and they have, we have fab dot icon with color with this one, right? You can see that it is a wrap in this one with the transition. So you can see that after they have a transition delay, like you can see the transition exists or something. So you can add the transition like this. Okay, so this is how we can add the floating action button, you can say, in React Material UI. So you can add successfully with the help of the this fab material fab, and whatever icon that you want to add, you can just add. Okay, so that's it for now. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. I hope you understand what we have to do. So any kind of requirement you're getting regarding this, just add it. It's very simple. Okay, thank you so much. Have a great day.